India's Supreme Court has cancelled an order that allowed the early release of 11 men convicted of gang raping a Muslim woman, Bilkis Bano, during the 2002 Gujarat riots. The convicts were serving life sentences but were released in 2022 by Gujarat state's government. The move sparked condemnation from human rights activists as well as victims of the riots. Neha Poonia has more.
Bilkis Bano's family says they are relieved by the court's verdict, but their fight is not over yet. The 11 men have to be back in jail within 2 weeks, the Indian Supreme Court has ruled. It also rejected a plea filed by the men requesting the court to protect their liberty, saying the court's duty is to uphold justice and the rule of law. The 11 men were released by officials in the state of Gujarat on the grounds that they had already served 14 years of jail time and on the grounds of good behaviour while in prison. Videos filmed at the time had shown the men being given a rousing welcome with garlands and sweets by their relatives as well as local leaders. The Supreme Court said the state of Gujarat did not have the authority to grant remission to these men, even though they were jailed in Gujarat, calling the move an abuse of power. It said the men were convicted in the state of Maharashtra and that state was the only one authorized to grant remission. The Gujarat government had defended its decision to release the men, saying it had sought the approval of Prime Minister Modi's government as well. Mr. Modi led the state of Gujarat back in 2002 when the riots took place. The release was challenged by several petitioners, including the victim Bilkis Bano herself. She called the decision unjust, saying it shook her faith in justice. Bilkis Bano was 21 years old and 5 months pregnant when she was gang raped by the 11 men. 7 of her family members, including a 3-year-old child, were also killed in that attack. The 11 men who were convicted were her neighbors. The Gujarat riots saw more than 2,000 people, most of them Muslims, being killed, making this one of the deadliest communal clashes India has seen in recent times. Neha Poonia, CNA, New Delhi.